What's up everyone, hope you're doing well. The Grand Tour presenter James May was taken to hospital after crashing a Mitsubishi Evo 8 as he filmed alongside co-presenters Richard Hammond and Jeremy Clarkson. This happened as they were filming the next episode of the popular Amazon car show as they drove 3 rally cars across the gorgeous country of Norway. According to reports of the incident, the Our Man in Italy presenter broke a rib and was taken for a brain scan after he hit a wall at 75 miles an hour. According to the Mirror, the lighting of the tunnel they were racing along at the time only illuminated as they drove through it, so he wasn't able to see the wall at the end. I can't tell you anymore because of an embargo. God, I wish I could. An anonymous source told The Sun, Jeremy and Richard were concerned about their mate and the paramedics swooped in quickly. As ever on a shoot of this scale, medical staff are waiting in the wings in case, as they did here, things go horribly wrong. According to the source, he smashed his head quite hard and was shaken after the incident with pain in his back and neck. It's also understood that he broke a rib. Fortunately, he was given the green light to continue filming after Jeremy and Richard had carried on without him. There has been a lot of support for May over social media, so he eventually acknowledged the incident on Twitter. He said in his post, "Thank you for all your kind comments and funny jokes regarding my crash, but it was a while back, not that bad, I'm perfectly okay. Apologies to Evo fans for binning the 8. Now, footage of the crash has been revealed by the Grand Tour's very own executive producer Andy Wilman after he posted a teaser for the episode on his Instagram account. You can see James hit the wall sideways, hitting his head against the side of the car as everything in the car flew around him. No release date or trailer has been revealed just yet, but I'll keep you updated as soon as I know more, or when the embargo lifts. Sorry guys. Very exciting times. I'm very happy that James was okay, and I take it he went on to film Our Man in Italy afterwards, so he was double okay, good to fly. I'm interested to see what happens to the Evo he was driving at the time. For more just like this, subscribe to Grand Tour Nation. We've got a really fun video coming up next. I'll see you there.